Consider the following quadratic equation. 21x squared equals negative 17x plus 8. Step 1 of 2. Using the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 of the given quadratic equation, factor the left-hand side of the equation into two linear factors. First step is to set it equal to 0. 21x squared equals negative 17x plus 8. Means I'm going to add 17x and subtract 8 from both sides. That's going to end up giving us 21x squared plus 17x minus 8 equals 0. This is another one where we're going to have to use the AC method. So we're looking for two things that when I multiply them together, give me 21 times negative 8 is negative 168. And then they need to add to be 17. And I'm usually pretty systematic with these unless something just pops into my head. So I'm going to just start, not necessarily with 1 times negative 168, but I'm going to start with 2. And so in this case, since this is positive, my bigger factor has to be positive. So negative 2 times 84, negative 3 times 56, negative 4 times 42, negative 6 times 28, negative 7 times 24. That one's looking pretty positive as far as a good option. Here, when we add, that's 82. This one's 53. That one is 38. This one's 22. And this one, 24 minus 7, is going to give me 17. So this is the combination that I want. I'm going to have 21x squared minus 7x plus 24x minus 8 equals 0. Looking for the greatest common factor between the first two and the last two. Greatest common factor between the first two is going to be 7x, which is going to leave me with 3x minus 1. Greatest common factor between the last two is 8, which is going to leave me with 3x minus 1. So our common binomial factor is 3x minus 1, and I'm left with 7x plus 8. So in this box, you would type in 3x minus 1 times 7x plus 8. So I'm going to set each linear factor equal to 0. 3x minus 1 equals 0. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. 3x equals 1. Divide by 3. X equals 1/3. 7x plus 8 equals 0. Subtract 8. 7x equals negative 8. Divide by 7. X is negative 8/7. And let me clean that up a little bit because I didn't write it very clear. X equals negative 8/7. So my solutions are 1/3, negative 8/7.